Hello student, today I will explain you lesson number 2 Yad Bhavishya Vinishyati. We start with our introduction. Panchtantra and Hitopdesha are the famous folktale work in Sanskrit. Most of the lesson and stories in the Sanskrit language are taken from Hitopdesh and Panchtantra. In this, animals are the character through which preaching of a wisdom has been imparted in a very simple and natural way. The stories in this book advised us the moral with the characters of animals. Right from the children to old age, everyone loves to listen the story. As one enjoy reading it, one find easy to understand the moral inbuilt in the story. Everyone can understand the moral which is given in this story, understand easily and natural way. The lesson presented here is prepared on the basis of both Panchtantra and Hitopdesh. Vishnu Sharma, the author, has written Panchtantra in 5 sections: Mitra Bhedam, Mitra Samprapti, Kakolukiyam, Labdha Pranasham and Aparikshit Karakam. Panchtantra is divided into 5 sections and which is written by Vishnu Verma. The story is taken from first section, Mitra Bhedam. The writer of a Hitopdesh is Narayan Pandit. There are 4 sections in Hitopdesh: Mitra Labh, Suhat Bheda, Vigraha and Sandhi. The present story is found in the 4th section, Sandhi. Here in story of 3 fish, Anagat Vidhata, Pratyutpanmati and Yad Bhavishya. Anagat Vidhata runs away to the another lake to protect itself from fishermen. When Pratyutpanmati is caught in a net, it protects itself by finding the way using its swift intelligence. Third fish, Yad Bhavishya, thinking come what may, sits idle and ruins itself. The name given to all 3 fishes suggests their nature. A man should think about the remedy for forthcoming difficulties in advance, and he should intellectually find out the way when he is in trouble. An idle and inactive person depending just on the luck has to suffer like Yad Bhavishya. So, let's we start our lesson. पुरा एकस्मिन् जलाशये अनागत विधाता प्रत्युत्पन्नमति यद भविष्यति त्रयो मत्स्य वसन्ति स्म. In the ancient time, the 3 male fishes named Anagat Vidhata, Pratyutpanmati and Yad Bhavishyati lived. अथ कदाचित् तं जलाशय दृष्ट्वा धीवरे उक्तम्. Once the fishermen see this lake and said, "Oh, बहु मत्स्योऽयं हद." Oh, this lake has many fishes. Kadachit api na asmabi anveshiti. Before today, we do not find this. Tadadhyam ahara vritti sanjata means today the provisions of our food is made. Swa atra agamya matsya kumardayo vyapadyavityavya iti nishchay. So from tomorrow we will come here and many fishes and tortoise will killed by us. तेषा तत्कुलोनि शोपम वचनम समाकर्ण्य मत्स्या परस्परम प्राहु. By hearing the conversation between these fishermen, which is thunderbolt for them, the fishes talk with each other. Shrutoyam dhivaralap. Can you hear the conversation? Aduna asmabhi kim kartavyam. What should we do now? Tatra anagat vidhata nama matsya praha. Then Anagat Vidhata, the fish whose name is Anagat Vidhata, said that Nunam Prabhat Samaye Dhivara Atra Gamya Matsya Shanshayam Karishyati Iti Mama Mana Si Vartate. I think that Definitely the fishermen come in the morning and killed many fishes. तन्नयुक्त सांप्रंत क्षण अपि अत्र अवस्थातुम्. It is not beneficial for us to stay here for a moment. अस्माभिः रात्रौ एवं किंचित समीपसर गन्तव्यं. We should go to another or nearby lake at today night. अहं तावत् जलाशयन्तः गच्छामि. For me, I will go to another lake.